Starting our list at number 5 is the Sifezi Barbecue Grill Utensils set. This budget-friendly kit comes packed with 38 pieces of high-quality stainless steel tools, making it perfect for backyard barbecues and camping cookouts alike. From long-handled grill tongs to a meat injector and instant thermometer, this set has you covered for all your grilling needs. Plus, its unique design features heat-resistant handles and organized storage in a durable aluminum case, ensuring convenience and portability wherever you go. Coming in at number 4 is the ROMANTICIST 26-piece grilling accessories kit. This premium set boasts exceptional quality with its solid stainless steel construction, offering durability and rust resistance for years of use. With essentials like a multitask spatula, fork, meat thermometer, and more, it's the perfect gift for any griller in your life. Plus, its heat-resistant handles and lightweight, dishwasher-safe design make cleanup a breeze after your barbecue feast. At number 3, we have the POLIGO 29 pieces barbecue grill accessories set. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a successful grilling session, from stainless steel utensils to grill mats and a meat thermometer. Its top-quality materials and convenient storage in a stylish carrying case make it a standout choice for any barbecue enthusiast. With its versatile cooking tools and easy cleaning, it's sure to elevate your outdoor cooking game to the next level. Taking the runner-up spot is the Kalun's Grilling Accessories set. With 21 pieces of professional-grade stainless steel tools, this kit is a grill master's dream come true. From a multitask spatula to skewers and corn holders, it has everything you need to create mouth-watering barbecue delights. And with its durable aluminum carrying case, you can take your grilling game on the go with ease. Before we get to number 1, give this video a thumbs up so it helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you can stay updated with our latest and greatest reviews. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Cuisinart Barbecue Tool Aluminum Carrying Case. With 20 essential tools for grilling, including a chef's spatula, grill tongs, and a digital temperature fork, this deluxe set is a must-have for any barbecue aficionado. Its durable aluminum carrying case ensures that your tools stay protected and organized, whether you're grilling at home or on the go. Plus, with its high customer ratings and rave reviews, it's clear why this set tops our list. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 barbecue grilling kits on the Amazon market. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned, be sure to click the link in the description below. Until next time, happy grilling.